Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find old tweet on Twitter. So let's get it started. So the first step is to go to Twitter itself and find the username. So I'm just going to search for a person. Alright, so this is our person over here. So if you want to find the old Twitter of this person, all you have to do is open a new tab and now type in site and then colon twitter.com/ and the username of this person. So I'm just going to type Magnus Carlsen. There you go. Alright, so here we are. So over here on the right hand side you can see the tools option. Click over here and now you can toggle your time. So just click on custom range and now I'm just going to type in 2017 to 2018 and hit go. And here, as you can see, we get tweets from 2018. So here you can just adjust any dates. So that is how you'll be able to see old tweets on Twitter. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.